In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list and sell products on Gumroad. First, make sure you're logged into your Gumroad account, then head over to your main dashboard. This is your home base where you can see your overall activity and access all the tools you need as a creator. From the dashboard, look for the products option in the menu and click it. This is where all of your existing products will live and where you'll create new ones. To create something new, click on the New Product button. This starts the setup process for the product you want to sell. You'll now see a field where you can type in the name of your product. Choose a clear, descriptive title so people immediately understand what they're getting. Once that's done, select the type of product it is, such as a digital download, a course or tutorial, or an ebook. Picking the right type helps Gumroad set up the right options for delivery. Next, type in the price you want to charge. Take a moment to think about the value you're offering and what similar products cost. Then click on the currency icon and choose the currency you'd like to use. When you're happy with that, click on Next, Customize to move on. Now we'll make the product page more appealing. In the description field, write a clear explanation of what your product includes, who it's for, and what results or benefits buyers can expect. Below that, you'll see a URL field. This lets you customize the link to your product page, making it easier to share and remember. In the cover section, upload an image or video that represents your product. This is the first thing people will see, so choose something eye-catching and relevant. Then, upload a thumbnail, which is a smaller image that may appear in previews and listings. In the product info area, choose your call to action text from the drop-down, such as "buy this" or "I want this," and then write a short summary that quickly sells the main benefit. If you'd like, you can click Add Details to include extra information like file types, size, or what's included. In the integration section, decide whether you want to connect this product to other platforms, like community or chat tools, so customers are automatically invited after purchase. Next, fine-tune your pricing. Here you can enable options like pay what you want, set installment plans, or add more advanced pricing rules. In the versions section, you can add different tiers, such as a standard and a VIP version, each with its own price and benefits. Under settings, toggle options such as limiting the number of sales, allowing buyers to choose a quantity, or publicly showing how many copies you've sold. Adjust these based on how you want to position your product. At the top of the page, click on the Content tab. This is where you upload the actual files or materials your customers will receive, such as PDFs, videos, or zip folders. Make sure everything is organized and clearly named. Next, click on the Receipt tab. Here you can customize the button text buyers see after purchase and add a thank you message or simple instructions on what to do next. Then click the Share tab to access your product link and sharing options. When everything looks good, click on Publish and continue. Gumroad will guide you through the final confirmation steps, which are very straightforward. Once you've completed those, your product is live and ready to sell.